Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how you can download Emus4u so you can emulate Mario Kart and all those cool games. As you can see, I've got the app right here. It's called Emus4u with this joystick and these buttons. So yeah, and a D-pad or whatever you call it. But yeah, and it works both iOS and Android. So if you're on iOS, go to Settings, General, Background Refresh. Make sure that Wi-Fi and stereo data is on. Then go to your browser and search for sideload.dev, guys. Just like that, sideload.dev. And then press go, and you'll be taken to this developer website of apps, and you'll have a list of apps, and you can just scroll around if you want to. But it's way easier and faster if you just tap on the search bar and search for Emus4u, emulators for you. There we go. And I'll say newest and tweaked emulators for iOS and Android, so just tap on it and tap start injection. As you can see, it'll begin downloading, and by using this method you can do everything as said in the beginning of this video, and it's great because it's now downloading, and I'll show you how to get it. And it's completely free to do, which is great. And obviously you have to go to this website due to it not being on the App Store, because Apple would not like the thought of pirating ROMs and video games and stuff like that, because you have to do that to get this app working, and there's no way to prove that you've got an original copy of the game. So yeah, and as you can see, it'll say Emus4u injecting. Please install 2 free apps to finish the injection process. So just want to do exactly that and download 2 free apps from this list and run them for 30 seconds. So you just want to download that one, go back and download the second one. There we go. Now that one's downloading. Then go back to your home screen and wait for these to download. As you can see, this one's downloading and this one's downloading as well. We're waiting. There we go, it's downloading. And yeah, so you just have to basically be patient until this finishes. Come on. There we go, this one's now installing. And as you can see, it's now installed, so you just want to open it and run it for 30 seconds, guys. You don't have to create accounts, you don't have to pay for anything, it's completely free to do, it's great, obviously. However, I've already got the app, so I'm not going to do it for the full 30 seconds, but you just have to make sure you're running the app for 30 seconds and just tapping buttons like so, for example. And that's it. And as you can see, the second app's now done, so you just want to open the second app that you installed. However, you may get different apps. I forgot to mention, you may get different apps, guys. But if you do, just install those instead, and you'll be fine. And it will work as well, and you'll have all your emulators and stuff like that. So yeah, and you'll have Emus4u. So you just have to basically tap around and run the app for 30 seconds. But once you've done that, you'll just have the Emus4u icon pop up on your home screen, just like that, show up. And if it doesn't, make sure you run these apps that you downloaded previously for longer. And that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't, to like, comment and smash that subscribe button. And I won't be opening the app because I don't want a copyright strike from Nintendo and stuff like that. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys, and yeah, thank you, bye bye.